Hi everyone. One of the Python's design motto is that it refuses the temptation to guess. For example, you cannot add a number and a string. So when you try to add a number, for example, 10 plus to a string, you will get an error. So here this plus can do both addition and concatenation. Python treats this as an error rather than guessing and doing type conversion by its own. So it's basically the programmer's decision whether they wanted to treat this as a string operation or a numeric operation. So here either you can convert this numeric object to a string object, or either you have to convert this into the numeric. So let's take this example that 10 plus 10, you will get a type error. So here it's telling can only concatenate string, not int to string. If we do the reverse, like 10 plus 10, you will get the same error, but here unsupported operand types as for plus, int and string. So here we are getting two different types of error. The error type is same, but the reason for the error is different. So what Python doing here, it's first taking the first operand and checking the object. So the first operand is string here, and when we try to add a string with a numeric, so the operation with the string, so the first operator is string here. So after this, the plus can act as a concatenate operator. So when we try to concatenate a string with an int, so we are getting the operation cannot be performed. In the second example, when we see here the first operand is 10 and that is an integer. So this plus act as a addition operator. So when we try to add an integer with a string, we are getting error. So one thing we can do here is first convert numeric into string. So to do that, we can use 10 plus str of 10, and when we do this, we can add. Same we can do like int of 10 plus 10, and here we will get the addition. So here we can see we can directly convert string 10 into integer 10. So one thing we can note here that int only converts the string into integer if the string looks like an integer. What it means, if you want to convert int hello, mistake, so here we are getting a value error, invalid literal for int with base 10. So if you want to convert int any integer looking thing, it will convert. So when we're talking about the conversion in Python, we can also convert a single character to its underlying character code. For example, it's ASCII byte code value, ASCII byte value. So we can convert any character, for example A to Z, into their underlying character code by passing a built-in function called ORD. So let's see this on the interpreter. So if we give ORD of A, we can get 65. This returns the actual binary value used to represent the corresponding character in memory. There is another function called char, CHR, that performs the inverse operation, taking an integer code and converting it to the corresponding character. So for example, if we pass 65 here, 65 here, you will get character A. ASCII text, this is a familiar 7-bit integer. 7-bit integer that fits in a single byte of memory. The range of code points for other kind of Unicode text may be wider. That's all for this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, thanks for watching and stay tuned.